In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autocomplete in Cursor AI. If you've been getting AI suggestions popping up while you type and want a cleaner, distraction-free editing experience, this is the fastest and most reliable way to turn them off. Maybe you prefer to write code or text without prompts, you're recording a demo, or you simply want full control over every character you enter. Whatever your reason, you can switch off autocomplete in just a few seconds using a single built-in command. Start by opening the command palette in Cursor. This is the universal launcher where you can quickly find and run commands without hunting through menus. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. You'll see a small search box appear at the top of the editor. That's your command palette. Next, click into that search box and type the exact phrase, Disable Cursor tab. As you type, Cursor will filter the available commands and show you a match. This command is specifically designed to stop the AI from inserting or suggesting completions when you press tab. If you've been seeing gray ghost text or inline suggestions popping up as you type, this is the control that shuts them down. Don't worry about capitalization. The important part is matching the wording so the command appears. Once you see Disable Cursor tab in the list, press Enter to run it. That's all you need to do. The change takes effect immediately. From this point forward, AI autocomplete is fully turned off, so you won't get inline suggestions or automatic completions triggered by tab. You should notice that your tab key goes back to behaving the way you expect for indentation or navigation, and the editor won't attempt to fill in code or text for you. If it feels like nothing happened, make sure your focus is in the editor window and that you ran the command from the palette, not from a chat or side panel. Also, try moving your cursor or typing a few characters to confirm that suggestions no longer appear. Sometimes the absence of the gray inline preview is the best sign that the feature is truly disabled. That's it. Quick, clean, and reversible whenever you need. By using the command palette and the Disable Cursor tab command, you can instantly turn off AI autocomplete in Cursor AI and get back to a minimal, interruption-free workflow. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter editor.